Hello and welcome to another Royal Reviewer channel episode. Please subscribe for all the latest channel uploads.
Heavy. Yeah, they make fantastic heavy cake in this place.
It's a very special year for us, and we've been planning for quite some time now to ensure that the year has been truly celebrated. But to have their Royal Highnesses joining us has just made it extra special.
I do know all the wonderful things you do all around the world. You know, I can see that green box always appearing wherever it is. We've got some very strategic places.
Yeah, exactly.
They're in the right places. There we are.
Thank you very much.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Your Royal Highness. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you for watching this video. If you have enjoyed it, then please leave a like, comment and share on social media. Don't forget to subscribe for all the latest channel uploads. From me in Shropshire, goodbye.